至於晨曦上季聯賽第5，今季咧佢哋邀請咗前飛馬嘅教練列卡度執教，希望為球隊爭取更高嘅排名。晨曦嘅防線咧繼續由隊長高尼路領導啊，佢嘅經驗咧大家一定唔使懷疑啊。而前鋒位置咧繼續有巴西嘅卡爾啊，上季咧一共射入14球，成為神射手。佢嘅拍檔咧就係由南華加盟嘅曹鵬飛啊。晨曦咧功力啊一定會有所提升喎。
今年咧就比較有困難少少嘅，點解咧？今年咧太多球員嘅離隊啊。咁同埋咧，新嘅球員咧就因為驚佢嘅經驗啊，同埋嘅水準未達到咧，所以我哋今年教練咧我哋就都係換咗教練啦，就係阿 Rambo 啊。咁阿 Rambo 喺呢方面咧比較有經驗啲，咁佢咧就希望喺佢嘅帶領之下咧，就對於新人嘅訓練啊，同埋希望佢哋嘅接班啊會快啲啊，大家打好啲咧，希望個成績會好啲。
We will work on 4-4-2, who can also very easy to turn 4-5-1 or 4-3-3. So this will be our main formation. So I can say that we will keep our back four for sure, and we work on our midfield. All the teams you see now, they very concerned on defensive first, and then to counter-attack or to get goals from the mistakes from the other teams. So we will work on this two strategy, and which one is better for Sanhei this year, we will take it. We are very safe with Cordeiro behind, having a very strong mentally, and very good skill with Li Meng on the midfield, and speed with Kahi. I think the three players we will looking for and try to build a team on these three players.
Well, as we always we are planning to fight hard this season. We have a lot of changes from the past season, so we're expecting some change in the spirit of the team as well. We have a new coach. He's trying to implement a new system for our team. We have been training very hard in this pre-season, so we are aiming to a better spot than last season.
依家練咗2個禮拜，嗰啲操練都幾辛苦啊，都跑得係咁跑咁樣。應該今年啲球員啲體能啊，同埋佢嗰啲戰術都應該會唔同上年唔同，會改變多啲咁樣，唔同踢法咁樣咯。其實我哋目標希望爭取一個杯賽咯，如果係一個冠軍咯，同埋。希望爬翻前4名為主咯，因為上年係跌出咗前4名咁樣。
Winning or losing, I mean, it's part of the game, but we have to aim for the top spot always. Once you go inside the pitch, I mean, no matter against who you are playing, you have to always be strong, and you have to try to win, no matter what happens.
今季聯賽嘅揭幕戰，晨曦會響主場迎戰大竹，而第2週咧佢哋嘅比賽都有主場之利，會對住大埔嘅。